Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by unlocking your iPhone and going straight to Settings. This is where you control update notifications. Once in, open General, then Software Update so you see the current notice and the Manage Update option. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and plugged in. Large update files can reappear if interrupted. If prompted, authenticate with Face ID or your passcode. Doing these first ensures the device will accept changes and that you can follow the next steps without unexpected. Next, you remove the downloaded update so the alert disappears. This is the key action. Go back to Settings, then General, and open iPhone Storage. Scroll until you see the iOS update entry. Tap it, then choose Delete Update. This removes the file and stops the immediate notification. Once deleted, return to Software Update to confirm the message is gone. If it still shows, wait a minute and refresh Settings. Sometimes the system needs a short moment to update its status. Finally, prevent future prompts by turning off automatic update downloads and installs. This stops recurring notifications. In Software Update, tap Automatic Updates and toggle off both Download iOS Updates and Install iOS Updates. Once done, restart your iPhone to ensure settings take full effect. If the update notification still appears, check iPhone storage again to confirm no update remains and verify you're not enrolled in beta software. Troubleshooting tip: if a stubborn alert persists, restart into safe mode by powering off.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.